Hello, I am Saurabh Jurkar from the Team Divine. Me and my friend Vedant Zure have made this COVID Defender website, and which is useful for the people to book the beds and do the appointments booking for the COVID vaccination. So, in this website, first user have to do this sign up by putting his details here. If he already did the sign up, then he can do the login by putting his details. Here I am putting the details of that person. And here you can see there is the profile of the user and his details. Suppose he have to book the vaccination appointment, then he can do, suppose he is living in Nashik, so he will do from this Apollo hospital. He will put here appointment date, update the slots, regarding slots, then he can book his appointment from this hospital. Suppose this particular person want to take the bed request, then he can also do the bed request by putting these symptoms. Yeah, here is all from the user side. If you have to delete this bed request, you can delete this bed request. And now I'm going to show you the admin side, how admin can control this. So here I am putting the admin credentials. So admin can do the login, and here all added hospitals are come. So admin can add the hospital by putting these credentials here. Yeah, suppose we go to the view hospitals. Here hospitals can update their vaccination slots and update their bed count here, and they can take actions regarding this vaccination appointment. Suppose this is the person, that appointment, so we can, if we complete this appointment, this person, we can mark it as a complete. Again the same is for the bed request. Hospital can approve the bed request if these are very serious, symptoms are very serious. Here you can see. Now I am going to show you the user side. Here you can check the users, that is the completed vaccination appointments is completed and the bed request approved. So we have also included the forum in which user can ask the question and regarding the COVID-19 by here ask question. Currently this is in the development stage, and here is the helplines are there, from the government helplines are there, and here we have included the COVID-19 statistics from the another website, and here user can see the COVID-19 patients from the another states and all, and here we can also change the theme of this website, and here is the another contents of that website that we have took, blogs and all, user can see this. Yeah, and in the footer section we have included this some government website regarding the COVID-19 and our vaccination, apply for vaccination form and request bed form of this website. And here is the helplines as you can see here, and this is the government website. and this our project is currently is in forum, is in currently